Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rare Disk. Today we will see how we can get the live data directly from the website into our Power BI, and then we can create whatever visuals we want from that particular data. So for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you will never miss the latest video on our channel. So let's get started. So for getting the data directly from the website, you need to go to any of the websites. So in this case, I have visited the NSC website. So here, instead of these all are the Excel files. So instead of this, clicking on the download and then saving it in your local and then importing that Excel into the Power BI, what you can do is like you can right click on this download button. You will get this option copy link address. Then you have to go to the Power BI, click on get data, select web, then click on just paste that link over here and click OK. Once that is done, you will get the option to either load the data or transform the data. So I just wanted to load the data. So in this way you can get the live data from any of the website, so you can create whatever visuals what you want from this particular data. So this is it. If you guys have any questions and doubts, please comment below. Also, if you want any video on specific topic, you can comment below and I will try to make the next video on that particular topic. So for now, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like and share as much as possible. Thank you.